Okay, now let's move on to the fourth PPA. Okay, wait, let me just delete these. Okay, so what is this question? It says that we will get a non-empty list of space separated positive integers as input from the user. Print all numbers in the list which are greater than the average in non-descending order. Okay, that means we have to print it in ascending order from smaller to bigger. Okay, the output format should be a sequence of space centered integers. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so x equal to input of dot split. Okay, so wait, just a minute, I'll just tell you. See what is happening here. I just printed two space three some numbers like 10 numbers. Okay, separated by space. Okay, now it's suddenly converted into a list. How did that happen? Okay, see, I'm just giving x dot input of. Okay, dot input, it will be like a string. Okay, dot split will basically, whenever you're having a space in that input, okay, it will convert it as a separate string. Let me give you another example. Let's say I am Python. Okay, so what will happen? See, this has been separated with a wherever there is a space, and it has been separated into a separate element of the list. Okay, so similarly I'm just gonna give again Control-V. So it's done. Okay, what should we do now? It is asking us to find the average of this list. Okay, so how to do that? So I'm just taking something called as sum. Okay, so sum equal to, I'll say 0. Should be 0. Yes. Okay, for I in x. Okay, sum plus equal to int of I, print of sum. Now let's see whether it works or not. I'm gonna give input is 1 space 2 space 3. So sum should be 6. Yes, it's working. Very good. So sum has been commented as 6. Okay, so what about average? So if we want average, that's basically nothing. Average equals sum by length of L. Okay, so if you want to try, so I'll just take 2 or 3 numbers. Same numbers means same average should be the same number, right? So I didn't print it, so let me print of average. Yeah, 2 2 2. Okay, what is happening? Average equal, okay, I didn't initialize average, so average equal to 0. So every time, see, we should make sure that our code works perfectly. That's why. Okay, still it is not showing. Why is this? Okay, this is not L. I took it as X. I don't know why I put like that. 2 2 2. Okay, nice. See, so many mistakes I'm doing and changing everything. Now what we have to do is we just need to print the numbers which are above the average. So average is basically 2, then above average means from the list. Okay, for I in X, so I will just put that in a list. Okay, so list equal to, it's an empty list. If I is less than, no, I is greater than average, I dot, no, list dot append I, print of I, no, print of list, right? So let's test this code. Copied it. Oh shit. Okay, this is okay. So for I is taking as, it says that what is happening here. Now see, string not supported. Okay, greater than this symbol, comparative operator is not supported between the instances of string and float. So this is a string and average is a float. So I need to convert the string into a what? Float or integer or float, anything should be fine. Let's take float, because we are giving as input as integers, so it's not necessary it has to be float. Either way your answer will be coming. See, 9876. Yeah, 9876. But remember, we need to print it in a sorted order, right? So simple. X dot sort. Okay, this function is something I will tell you. I will explain in a minute. Just a second. Okay, I'm just checking. Okay, again I should do like this. I forgot to put that bracket. Yeah, 6 7 8 9, but I need to print it out as a space separated stuff, right? So I need to print it out as a space separated string. Okay, so what should I do? Okay, I could do like this. I could do like this. This is an empty thing. If float of I is greater than average, then list plus equals I plus, I'm gonna leave a space. Okay, string of I plus space. I need to print it out. Sorry. Print of list. Okay, seems good. Should I try with another example? Yeah, seems valid. all the 3 test cases passed. So let me explain you some stuff which I had used here. So let's say that X is a list now. So I'm gonna print of X. Here I'm gonna print it once, then also again I'm gonna print it here. Okay, you could find the differentiate. You could differentiate it. See, I have used print at 3 different places. Print here, okay, here, so it's highlighted already. So 3 different spaces. Okay, first print will give so we are giving input and these are the inputs. Okay, now second print is after the sorting. I had done x dot sort, so it is getting sorted here. Okay, print of list is basically that's it. So I guess you can understand how this x dot sort will work. So that's it, guys.